So here we are, we're back again. I feel like I always have a lot to catch you up on, and today is no exception. So when it comes to garden and baby animals and everything else on the farm, things are booming. This is busy season. It's part of the reason I haven't picked up the camera, and I need to catch you guys up. Oh, I see. So one of the first things we've got going on today is a rabbit drop-off, I guess you could say. We're meeting up with someone who is getting one of the baby mini plush lops. So I will show you that because they are so grown up now and so adorable. And even the next litter is now getting big. Come here. So we can take the laundry out. All right, are we ready to go? You're finding your shoes? Where's the other shoe? Oh, good. Thank you. Perfect. All right, let's get ready to go. Just a minute. Let's put on your other shoe. All right, I think I'm ready. Just gotta get the bunny ready. I tell you, right now, our lives seem to be dictated by animal pickups, messaging, visitations, etc. It really is like that. Like, I probably have something animal-related going on at least once or twice a day. It's not just bunnies. I'm also selling chicks, and I've sold some chickens, and I've got pigs for sale. So we are just booming in critters, and it is busy. So here's the baby. He's a sweetheart. But he's going to a good home, so I don't have to be sad about him going. Here you go, darling. Gonna take you to your new family. Whoa, what do you got? Levi's taking advantage of the situation because these are indoor toys. I told him we could take him along when we go and drop off the bunny, so now, because I was still getting the bunny ready, he's enjoying this outdoor play with some indoor toys.
It's okay toy.
No, it's not.
In the middle of the phone, in the grab the phone, go in the grab in this one phone.
All right, so we are back from dropping off the bunny. It went really well, which is always nice when they're not late or anything like that. So that bunny's got a new good home, so that's exciting. I figured now would be a good time to kind of bring you up to speed. So on a less positive note, we have had trouble with predators again. A few days ago, I'm going to assume it was a weasel, mink, something of that sort, cleaned up my Wyandottes, the ones that I gotten when I got the geese. They're kind of like half grown, but one survivor. Brutal. So that was very upsetting. And it makes you not want to have chickens at all, to be honest. So I have scaled back again a bit more on the chickens. We hadn't had any problems with predators in, I don't know, 9 or 10 months, I'd say. And so I was hoping we were doing better. I was still keeping things quite secure, but man, they can get into anything. So this is the survivor. I feel like now I need to get her a friend because I don't want her to be by herself. And I realize if I introduce a friend, they're going to fight at first, but eventually they'll get along. And I feel bad for her. And I don't want her to live by herself. So we'll see what we can do, but that is current situation. Okay, and then on a happier note, these fluff balls are growing up to be so cute. This is my sort of next generation of silkies that I'm raising. I don't know how well you can see them through the wire. There you go. So I'm keeping the 6. I did sell, I had 12 others, younger ones. that I did sell because I don't need to keep a bunch, especially with having problems with predators. So I'm pretty much at this point, I think, just keeping 2 or 3 cages of chickens, and that's it, because that's kind of ones that I can keep secure, and then I don't have to worry about predators, and I also don't have to worry that it's too much work when I go back to work. Is that your shovel? Are you digging? This guy is so busy. So busy. And the more dangerous the item, the more he likes it. Oh, that's a good idea. So we're hoping that Henry will drink. Oh my goodness, loud rooster. Hopefully Henry will drink his bottle and go to sleep. Levi's just doing some playing, and then I'm going to try and get some more things done outside. So Levi and I decided it was time for a snack break, and we thought we would read a book while we're eating our snack, and Henry's having a nap, so that is excellent. So we had Levi's birthday last week, and he got this book. Tractor Mac, You're a Winner. This is an all-time favorite, so we are going to be on the lookout for more books in this series. The big event was almost here. For months, Tractor Mac and Farmer Bill had been getting ready for the tractor pull contest at the county fair. So we got the piggies out, and I've got some food for them. They're not a fan of change or loud noises or anything like that. Pigs are animals that are preyed on. They're not the predator, and so they're naturally scared of all of life. So it does take a lot of work to tame them. What's the pig doing with his nose? Nothing. You guys want some food?
Oh, make a pile down here. Oh, how many pounds does he have?
See you later. Where are you going? To the barn with Dad? Wow, like a big boy?
It's a big boy.
You might need to put on your boots and your hat, though.
Yeah. At home.
There goes the tractor. No. Are you watching? Is that the tractor? Wow. So as you saw, Levi went with Will to the barn to help him. He loves doing that, so he's enjoying that. And Henry and I are just hanging out, doing a couple of things around here. He loves watching the tractors, so that's kind of what we're doing right now. So those of you who are really familiar with this place, you'll notice the fence is missing over here where Henry's standing. We actually had a leak in our water pipe. We had to do quite a bit of digging and unfortunately take down the fence. We did find the hole, so that explains bad water pressure for the last few months. So it's fixed, but the fence is still down. So here is Blossom. She's having a little play. Hi! And here are the remaining mini plush lops. So 2 of them will be staying here. 2 of them are, well, I've got one that's pending sale and one that is still available. I do let them run in this smaller one because they don't escape through the sides, whereas the bars can be a problem. And then over here we've got Cindy Lou Who and her daughter Daffy. And they're just playing in this enclosure that I otherwise also use for the pigs. Look, Henry, the tractor's going. Come watch. There it goes. There goes the tractor. Are you going to wave to the tractor? Good waving. That's our new tractor. Bye, tractor. Whoop. He loves the tractors just as much as Levi. They are farm boys through and through. Somebody's back home. You got a pigeon?
Yeah, we bring it in the house.
Wow. Alright, so today is going like most days seem to go around here. I'm trying to be productive, but I end up spending a lot of time answering messages and sending pictures and all of that in an effort to sell a lot of the animals that I have for sale right now. I have more for sale than I usually do, so it's busier than normal. It also is not a very good time of the year to sell animals, which is proving a little more difficult. I'm not gonna lie, when all of these animals are sold, I definitely am slowing things down a little with breeding and everything because I could use a break and it's really, really tiring to be doing this all the time. So it is baling season around here. It means wrapping as well. We've had lots of trouble with the wrapper, so hopefully the fact that he's moving it is a good sign. You see they've got a bale over there, but that's kind of the full-time job these days. So they are getting ready to start a new row. So you can see they're putting kind of a piece of plastic on. That's kind of like the end cap. And so that there will be the start of the row. And then they can start making the big long rows that you see covered in white plastic all back there. So I have to say, having this fence gone means that we've got a really great spot to sit and watch. It's a little hot and sunny in the heat of the day, but when it's nice weather, we can sit on our sand pile and we just watch them work with the bales. Right, Henry? You like watching tractors? So I'm hoping this guy will go to sleep. It's not working out very well. I've been trying for a long time. He is not a happy guy, but I also have to go and take someone, a bunny, at 6 o'clock. So if he doesn't go to sleep soon, then there's no point to him sleeping. So I thought while I'm walking him around anyways, maybe I'd walk beside the garden and give you a garden update so that way we can do two things at once. So we got strawberries growing okay, not great, but they're there. Peas in the back, and the onions are doing well. My carrots for some reason did not do well. Nothing in the middle, but there is a little bit over there and here, and lots of weeds. The beans are doing great. I think every year my beans do great, so that's good. And then we've got some kale and some lettuce, and in the back there we've got acorn squash, I think acorn squash, eggplant, and peppers. And check out my pots of potatoes. They are growing like crazy. Hopefully they're putting also some effort into the potatoes and not just into the plants, because wow, they've got big plants. And then I should have tomatoes to harvest in not too long, because you can see that they are coming along, so that's nice. And in this container as well, though I did notice here there is a little bit of the rot already starting on the bottom of them. I think that's because it's been wet, but I'm not sure. I can't remember what's in here. One of these is cucumber and the other is some kind of a squash. But anyways, they're growing. So you can see my front garden is mostly weeds, but there is stuff growing in there. I did do some weeding, but you can hardly tell now. Well, we just went and dropped off another bunny, so that was good, but made for a busy day because I've been just answering messages, sending pictures, all that kind of fun stuff. I hoped to show you more things today, but it didn't happen. But at least you're kind of up to date on how things are going around here. As far as COVID goes, I usually kind of try to give you an update. So we are in stage 2, which is like 3-stage reopening plan, I guess. We've moved into stage 2, so that is, I guess, good. I don't think I've done anything different, but we're at least moving along. So hopefully eventually life will be a little more normal. But I am going to end things here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would join the community here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!